Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajala ubah kami iktanat Home Police ubah Prestone tensong hak arpunriu tarik rusa ulakot penlong yang kajingalang bisharkam hak bayadei bagi jingja plu ing kibajia hapo Kajala. Habakren syakilat pathai kubor ubah Prestone ulaong ngilashim ngeki katu katni kirai hak bangala batha ru ya katanat badi kami ya u Inspector General IG bakin IT ya baro kajing tip babnya ki kijing bagi ya kendu kata la kalong ha kabayadei berkitiar gitar dani kijing Donkam beriu. Ngalabatha ya IG ban IT syaka sorkar bat ngisapet kawai hadien kawai ya baro kini kijing Donkam kham kloy kat bala ulaong. Kajing penlong ya kani kajing alang kalawan long ru khandiat tayo hadien bala sakhi ya kajing jing plu ha kathan khandailat police bazar. Ha kabayadei bat ka fire safety audit na kabenta kiying kisam bat kiwei pat kijing tay usembut Menteri Rangba ulaong kaniru kadai shibenta jong kajing ekran ha kajing alang na kata kadaw ngapen pa shaphi bangaladap betha ya ka fire service wing bakin IT ya baro kajing tip kabamut kijing ai jing mut sya ka sorkar bat hadien bangi yop diang ya kani ansakot biang ya kajing alang shu haba jubab ya kajing kali Bah Prestone ulaong ru ngan sakot biang ya kajing alang ha kabayadei bakani kapang bat ngin saya keren ha kikerdan halor kajing Donkam banwanra ya ka fire safety policy bat ki SOP khamtam ha ki jaka sor namar kalong ka badan kam kerki.
We had a meeting with the fire service officials, the in charge IGP and then the SP of fire service, where we review those incidents that has happened. There few decision we taken where ultimately I've asked the department concerned, the fire service IG in charge, to submit all the details. What are the challenges that we have, whether in terms of maybe the instrument or in terms of infrastructure or in terms of manpower. I've instructed him to submit it to the department, to the government, and then we will see one by one to meet those requirements, whatever, until it's possible. So this is the direction I've given to him. So that also is part of it. That's what I'm telling you. I've already told the fire service wing to submit all the details. The details means recommendation, suggestion, views to the government, and then from there, once I receive all this, well, I will call again a meeting. We'll discuss in the higher authority. We will discuss, and then I think we need to come up with the policy. We need to come up with full SOP, especially in the urban areas, which I personally feel it is needed very, very urgently. And once that is done, I'm very sure we will come out with the SOP and the notification accordingly. So that we will do it as early as possible. That's what I've already instructed the IGP in charge fire service to submit all those.